glad you came back for another night. I'll promise there'll be a lot more interesting this time. We found some great new relics over the weekend, and we're tracking down a new lead right now. So, let me just give you an update real quick, then you can get back to work. Like, the attractions opens in like a week, so we have to make sure everything works and nothing catches on fire. And when the place opens, people will come to the opposite side of the building and work their way towards you, then pass you and out the exit. Yeah, you've officially become part of the attraction. You'll be starting as the security guard, so not only will be monitoring the people on the cameras as they pass through, you know, to make sure no one steals anything or makes out in the corner, but you'll also be a part of the show. It'll make it feel really authentic, I think. Now let me go over what's new. We found another set of drawings, always nice, and a foxy head, which you might think is authentic, but then again, it might just be another crappy cosplay. And we found a desk fan, very old school metal though, so watch the fingers. Now, the place is basically, you know, just flashing lights, spooky props. I honestly thought we would have more by now. We don't have anything really cool by the next week. We may have to put you up in a furry suit and walk around saying, boo. But you know, like we said, we're trying to track down a good lead right now. Some guy who helped design one of the buildings. Hey man, okay, I have some awesome news for you. First of all, we found some vintage audio training cassettes. Dude, these are like prehistoric. I think they're like training tapes for like other employees or something like that. So I thought we could like have them playing like over the speakers as people walk in the attraction. Dude, that would make things feel legit, man. But I have an even better surprise for you, and you're not gonna believe this. We found one. A real one. Okay, I gotta go, man. Well, look, it's in there somewhere. I'm sure you'll see it. Okay, I'll leave you with some of this great audio that I found. Talk to you later, man.
Hello. Welcome to your new career as a performer/entertainer for Freddy Fazbear's Pizza. These tapes will provide you with much-needed information on how to handle/climb into/climb out of mascot costumes. So please pay close attention while learning how to operate these suits, as accidents/injuries/death/irreparable and grotesque maiming can occur. First and most discussed is how to operate the mascots while in animatronic form. For ease of operations, the animatronics are set to turn and walk towards sounds they hear, which is an easy and hands-free approach to make sure the animatronics stay where the children are for maximum entertainment/crowd-pleasing value. Change the animatronic to suit mode. Insert and turn firmly the hand crank provided by the manufacturer. Turning the crank will recoil and compress the animatronic parts around the sides of the suit, providing room to climb inside. Please make sure the spring locks are fastened tight to ensure the animatronic devices remain safe. We'll cover this in more detail in tomorrow's session. Remember to smile over the face of Freddy Fazbear's Pizza.
Hi. Hi. Hello. Hi. Hi. Hi.
Hello. For today's lesson, we'll be continuing our training on proper suit handling techniques. When using an animatronic as a suit, please ensure that the animatronic parts are tightly compressed and fastened by the spring locks located around the inside of the suit. It may take a few moments to position your head and torso between these parts in a manner where you can move and speak. Not to nudge or press against any of the spring locks inside the suit. Do not touch the spring locks at any time. If the spring locks cause moisture may loosen them and cause them to break loose. In the case that the spring locks come loose while you are wearing the suit, please try to move away from populated areas before releasing out, as to not ruin the customer's experience. As always, if there is ever an emergency, please go to the designated safe room. Every location is built with one extra room that is not included in the digital map layout programmed in the animatronics or the security cameras. This room is hidden to customers, invisible to animatronics, and is always off camera. As always, remember to smile. You are the face of Freddy
Hi.
Fazbear's Pizza.
Hello? Hi. Hi.